Hi Farai, I'm placing an import order today, tomorrow. I just wanted to check with you what you wanted. So I'm working from memory slightly as always. I think we were going to put additional baskets down here. Now before we do that I need you to confirm the space between the inside of that vertical and the inside of that vertical. Okay, if you could just tell me what that is. I don't think my model's saying 425, but I suspect when I actually installed it I've gone a bit further along here, and we're going, at the moment these two components are clashing, so we're not going to be able to do this, but I suspect I've done something slightly different in reality to what the model is showing. The other thing I wanted to confirm is you have a utility track on site. You have one of these. This model is showing two. Do you want a second one to carry on all the way through? So I'll send you a screen grab of this with a question mark over that dimension and a question mark there. I also wanted to excuse me, show you a couple more alternatives because I've done them. By putting a track high up on this side, I know you've got concerns about metalwork and plumbing and stuff in there, but I will be able to avoid it. There are other things we can add in. We can mount the track between the verticals and not on the wall. We could put some baskets on that side as well, or as an alternative to the right hand side. We could put a storage board on, and we could put additional tracks and hooks in if needed. Tracks, hooks and tool holders. Again, just sort of, you know, expanding out what might be possible there should you wish to. We can also do that iteratively if you want. So the previous version was C4, this is C5. We're now looking at C6. Tracks straight through, mounting boards, hooks, just another variation, and we still need to check that dimension obviously. Last one, C7. Lots of the centrally mounted baskets on the left hand wall. Again, it might just inspire you to think slightly differently about the space. Okay, so I want to put the import order in as soon as possible. I'll send you some 2D drawings. If you could just mark them up, it's better than written notes from my point of view, and we'll get your parts ordered. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye bye.